Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to book more discovery calls or clients, then you're in the right place. Now, whether you're creating your offer for your coaching or your freelance business or even your agency, your bonus or your bonuses can actually play a huge role in actually converting on that offer. Now, given that, it's actually pretty curious that the bonus section is actually one of the most ignored parts of any offer, let alone for coaching or for freelancers. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the 10 types of bonuses that you can include in your offer. So the first and main type of bonus that you could offer is your personal time. In other words, personalization to whatever your client is working towards. This means offering your actual personal time. Now, this can take the form of audits or more calls or more sessions or more visits or anything like that. Now, I know that scalability and expansion are all the rage right now, and to be fair, there is a good reason to go in that direction. However, especially when you're getting started, your personal time is actually one of the biggest features or benefits or advantages that you can add to any offer. The next type of bonus you can offer comes in the form of content or a product. Now, content products can actually take all types of forms, including webinars or video trainings, or you could even go the document route and you could go worksheets or workbooks or templates or scripts or anything like that. You could even choose as a checklist or as an audio or anything else. But the point is that you are actually communicating valuable content which teaches them how to do something that they actually care to do. The next type of bonus you can offer is membership. Now, this can go in a few different directions. Now, this can be membership to a private group or to weekly calls or to many other offers like that. Now, belonging to a private or exclusive group is actually one of the biggest psychological needs or desires of humans, which is kind of another conversation. But the point is that if you can offer exclusive benefits to members of a particular exclusive community, that can actually be very valuable in any offer. The next type of bonus you can include is any type of event ticket. Now, the short story here is that everyone, whether they go or not, likes to be invited to events. So whether it's a one-time workshop or training or even a live event, the point is that people love to not only be invited to events, but to actually attend them. So in any case, try to, if you can, I know this is a little bit more work, but if you can, incorporate live events into your offer. The next type of bonus you can include is pricing. In other words, something along the lines of early bird or discounted pricing. So if you have a new offer or package that you're looking to promote, you can include in that the bonus of early bird pricing, or however you want to call it. Now, this actually touches on buying triggers, and just by the way, the two best buying triggers are urgency and scarcity. Now, even though every offer in the world can be improved with urgency or scarcity, the point is that adding a little bit of early bird pricing or something like that that adds a little bit of urgency can actually make your offer much more compelling. The next type of bonus you can include is a little bit different, which is actually agency or choice. In other words, you can give your client or customer a little bit of flexibility or options in how they want to use that bonus. Now, the specifics here actually don't matter that much. Now, whether you let them choose their bonus or their range or their features or whatever it might be, the big important part here is that you're giving them any choice at all, because you've probably heard about these studies that people are most happy when they have personal agency, in other words, choice over their life decisions. So anyway, the point is that if you give people a little bit of choice, or at least some, to where they can choose their bonus or their feature or their benefit or whatever it might be, then that actually makes people a lot more satisfied with their purchase or whatever service that they're moving forward with. The next type of bonus you can offer are partner assets. Now, I've talked a lot before about utilizing OPA. In other words, other people's audiences. And in this case, this is actually a double whammy in that department. So on one hand, you can utilize somebody else's audience. Let's say you have a friend who has a 7-figure agency. Okay, just random chance, but let's say you do. So you can interview them, and once you do that, they will likely promote that interview or that content piece to their audience, which means that you are sharing or gaining access to their audience. Now, their audience aside, this actually builds a ton of trust on your end, because if you are saying, hey, I'm interviewing this 7-figure agency owner, then that actually builds your trust and credibility as well. So in any case, just keep that in mind that you probably already know people that you can incorporate their partner assets into your offer bonuses. So you can incorporate how to drive traffic, how to convert traffic, how to follow up, how to generate leads, how to use Instagram, how to use Facebook groups. Literally, you could go a million directions with anybody else that can just contribute a little bit to your offer. The next type of bonus you can offer is actually one of my favorite types, which is also one of the most ignored, which is to offer them physical assets. Now, this means something that they can actually hold in their hand. Now, this can be a book, a workbook, a printable worksheet, pretty much anything that they can hold in their hand. Now, you can actually go a few directions here. On one hand, you can send them something that will actually help them on their journey of whatever you're helping them to do. On the other hand, you can just flat out send an introductory gift basket. I know that sounds kind of, I don't want to say primitive. I know that sounds kind of basic, but that actually can make a big difference in reducing buyer's remorse, which is actually a very real thing, which is when a buyer or customer or client regrets their purchase immediately or soon after. The next type of bonus you can include are support channels. Now, I know I've already talked about giving additional access to yourself, but this is a little bit different, which is offering multiple channels. So in other words, as a bonus, you could offer text support with you or with somebody on your team, or VIP email support, or video support, weekly office hours. All of these things apply as extra access channels. You could also include voice support with an app like Voxer. You can say text support with a tool like Facebook groups. You can literally go in any direction here. So the point is, whether you are offering personal daily check-ins or Facebook groups or texts or voice messages or whatever it might be, the point is that offering extra access channels to you or your team can actually play a huge role in improving your offer. The next type of bonus you can include are DFY, in other words, done for you services. So for example, if you're helping somebody to build their funnel or their website, you could also offer as a bonus the done for you service of creating a logo, designing their website, maybe choosing their business name. There's a lot of directions you can go here. And probably the absolute best type of bonus to include in your offer is to hit the like button and subscribe below. If you learned something interesting today, it does help a lot. For more help finding your niche, generating traffic and leads, and getting clients, then book a free call with me below to find the biggest opportunities in your business as well. Well, that wraps us up for today. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.